So it has been amazing. Taken away all of my stress, like completely. Like every night when I want that like last glass of wine, I'm just like, oh, I'm just gonna do my drops, get in bed, get cozy, and no hangover in the morning, so that's good.
Sleep.
So honestly, for me, CBD has been the thing that's like lulled me to sleep, if that makes sense. Like I immediately can feel that I'm starting to get relaxed and I'm starting to unwind. And the longer I'm laying there, I'm just like, oh, am I asleep? Am I awake? Like, do I go to bed? Like, do I sleep on the couch tonight? It's so easy to just like want to take a nap during the day as well. Like, it's crazy. The stuff I could never do because noise. Basically now, after using my drops, like when I wake up in the morning, I don't feel like I've just slept for an hour. I actually feel like I've slept, so my day ends up being so much more productive because I'm not dragging and walking around and drinking another cup of coffee. I feel fine. Like I jump up out of bed, I'm good to go for the day. I'm ready to get things done, which before I'm like, oh, I've got to do this and I've got to have a coffee and I've got to go here. And it's so much stress, but now I'm just like, okay, these are my things. I'm gonna go do them. And being rested has changed that so much where I'm just like, okay, I can do all of this. I don't feel exhausted. Or when my friends call and I'm like, oh, I don't want to get out of bed yet. I'm up and ready for breakfast. I can go. I knew about it, but I wasn't like using it at all. And after having done it morning and night, I'm just like wowed because it's natural and you feel it almost right away. It's almost like when you take a drink of like hot cocoa and you feel warm and good. That's the effect I get, and I automatically know. I'm just like, okay, this is something that's good for me, and I'm better because of it. Like I'm not stressed, I'm not crazy and all over. So yeah, it's huge. So when I started using that cream, I was cracking up because my face was so dry and so wrinkled, and I was like rubbing this on and I'm like, there's no way. I've got years and years of just neglect from not taking care of my skin. And honestly, like I did a before and after picture and I couldn't believe it. And I always kind of laugh when I see them and I'm like, oh yeah, the shadow, the light. I literally stood in the exact same spot, in the exact same phone, exact same mirror, days apart, and couldn't believe like where the lines had disappeared or where I didn't look so like patchy. And like today I don't have to have makeup on, which is good. I can just go out fresh face in the world. So that's different. I don't feel like I'm caking makeup on, which will be great for the summer. Yeah, that skincare was unbelievable. I told like all of my friends, and it's in my bathroom and the bottle's so cute and everyone's like, what is this? And I'm like, isn't it adorable? So everyone's been like geeking out about it. So they're like, what is it? Can I try it? I'm like, put it right here. Yeah, people are obsessed with it already. Well, I was using the Pure 13, the CBD cream, skin cream in the cute little blue bottle. And honestly, like focusing on my forehead and some of the lines there and along my mouth and face, and they've just gone. Like they're there, but they're so light compared to what they were. So I'm addicted to it. I have to get more. I already told my husband. So that bottle went quick, and it's just been morning and night. It's kind of like with my drops. I'll do my drops and I get up in the morning, wash my face, put my cream on, don't have to put makeup on. And then at night, again, when I get home, scrub my face, get ready for bed, do my drops, do my skin cream, lay in bed, feel like I'm having a little natural spa in bed. So yeah, it's been amazing though, actually.
Foundation.
Yeah, so with that Pure 13 cream, I've noticed that I don't feel like when I look in the mirror, I look dry and cracky all over, and I can literally just go out and I don't feel like I have to cover up foundation and fix all my lines. It's just clean and I can go outside and feel good about that. So that's been huge because I did not look forward to another summer of like putting on foundation and sweating it back off. So it's been really, really nice to just know that that's working and my skin looks better, and I've noticed it.